So today I'm going to replace the blower motor, because when you turn it on you can hear it making noise. So if you look underneath, there's 3 screws you need to unscrew. 1, 2, and the third one is right here. 3. And also we have to disconnect this wire here. And that's about it. I'm going to use this to take it out. It's an 8mm. And it should drop down. So basically what happened is loose. That's why it's making a noise. This is the new one. And the new one doesn't make no noise at all. So you put it in, now you can tighten the screw. And the last one here I already tightened already. So, and now we need to do is hook up the connector back. And let's test it out and see if it works or not. So the noise is gone. So that's how you replace a AC blower motor on a Sienna.